Hi guys, it's Kenya. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your own coconut oil. I'm super excited because I've been waiting for this moment for so long. I'm here with my two Balinese grannies and they're gonna teach me the old traditional way of making it. Coconut oil is very popular these days and is known as the most versatile oil, as you can use it in cooking as a healthier replacement of any other oils, as well as in beauty, because you can literally moisturize your whole body with it and take care of your hair. There are so many health benefits. For example, it improves your digestive system, it keeps your immunity system in balance, it prevents cancer or any heart problems or even high blood pressure. Personally, I use coconut oil for absolutely everything, starting from cooking to moisturizing my whole body and taking care of my hair. There are so many products available for us these days, but the fact is I don't really trust most of them. Making my own coconut oil makes me sure that I don't put any toxins in my body, and it's just the most natural way it can be. The first step is to open the coconut and take the white part out of it. So I'm gonna try to take the white part of the coconut shell. Let's see. It's quite hard, I think. Oh god. Oh. Yeah. Cool. Next time I'm making everything from the scratch. The next step is grinding the coconut, and back in the days they were using this exact grinder to do it. Now, because it's more modern, then they're using a special machine which does it for them, because this is actually a very long process. It would take us around maybe 2 hours to grind all the 4 coconuts we had. Now we're making a fire in this traditional Balinese cooker. We are using the remaining coconut shell and palm leaves to make the fire, so you know, everything from a coconut to make the coconut oil. First we put cold and hot water in the shredded coconut, and now we have to take all the milk out of it so it's dry and put in another container. We are repeating the process to get more of the coconut milk, because that's what we're actually gonna need to make the oil. Now we're boiling the coconut milk and waiting for the oil to separate from the milk so we can just scoop it off. It's gonna take around 1 hour. The last step is to stir the oil for around 30 minutes or until it becomes clear. This is my first homemade coconut oil. I really enjoyed making it, and I hope you will as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it and learned something new, and if you did, give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.